Have you ever started a project with one favorite color, either yours or your client's, and you needed to quickly find some nice colors to go with it? Or are you tired of having just one color as the background color on your Joomla site? In today's video, I'm going to show you a handy tool that will help you with both of those things. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 192 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tips, and tools for building and managing Joomla sites. Today's video is brought to you by mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for your Joomla site. While you're there, check out all the information and tools that will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. And if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJoomla and you will get your first month free. All right, let's turn our attention to the screen. The tool I want to show you, and thanks to Bjorn from Joomla Forever for this tip that he shared in one of our live streams, is mycolor.space. And all you need to do to use this tool, like I said, if you've got one color, is here put in the hex code for that one color. I already have it in the paste here, so we will paste my favorite orange, and then we're just going to go generate. Now there's my favorite orange, and here we go. Here are a bunch of colors that will go with it. I have a color scheme: generic gradient, matching gradient, spot palette, twisted spot palette, classy palette, cube palette, and it goes on and on. A whole bunch of pictures here that you, a whole bunch of colors that you can use on your site or in a project, and you have the codes here just to collect. Now, pro tip for using this is not, hey, I have a pro tip graphic. I like to use it every week when I can. Check out up at the top here, you'll see you can click gradient, and here you can go with two colors. So why don't I just replace the one for now with the orange that I like. Click generate, and look, it goes from orange down in the bottom left hand corner to this green up in the top right. And that's great for using for a background color on your site, better than just a plain color. And handy dandy right here, CSS code for that background image, linear gradient. Just put that in the CSS for your website for the background, and your page will have this gradient in the background. Now, pro tip, click up here to 3-color gradient. What? Yes, 3-color gradients. Let's put orange in the middle this time. Alrighty, we'll generate. And now in the bottom left, we start out with the pink. We move to the orange, and we move to the blue. Now, we're running so many pro tips. Check out these arrows here. This works not only in the 2 gradient, but the 3-color gradient. You can change the way the gradient moves in direction. You can even go from bottom to top. Let's see. Let's toss the. Okay, we got the pink at the bottom. Check this out too. In a circle, a bullseye, a nice rainbow effect on the outside. Use that for the background. Each time you've got your background CSS to use in your site right there for you to copy and paste in your custom CSS, and you'll have snazzy colors. And I love the gradient thing because it saves you having to come up with one image that has a gradient and fixes in there. Just have it the way that you want it. So there you go. That's the tip for today. I hope you enjoy that tool. I like stuff that saves me time. I like stuff that makes me look good, and I think both of those things will help me hit way above my my ability when doing backgrounds and making colors and branding and stuff like that. So head on over to mycolor.space. Thanks for tuning in today. Thanks for your support of this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Ring the bell to get notifications. And of course, now YouTube is going to throw a bunch of things up on the screen here that thinks you should watch next. Please do that. It helps support the channel and is good content, I think. You might learn something else. I mean, I learn stuff all the time doing this channel. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.